Put your gloves on. I got some new colors from Dharma Trading. Let's try them out today. Okay, we're going to start with avocado. Yeah. And, ooh. Oh, I can't wait to see this. Oh. So I'm only going to do the one side. This has been soaking in soda ash water solution for about 20 minutes or more. Wrung out in the washing machine. Like always. These are those kind of subpar Gildans that I got for a friend of mine gave me. Got them on the cheap. They work for these kind of videos, but not to sell. But look at this beautiful golden brown color. Oh, hello. You are going to be pretty. I would mix this with wasabi and the wasabi color, not the wasabi powder. Okay, that's a generous amount of that on that shirt. And then we're going to boost it with some soda ash. Just a little bit extra. And then we're gonna hit it with some hot water. Let's put the kettle on. Okay, here we go. Sorry for the steam. Oh, look already. Yeah, this needs to be mixed with other colors. This color. Okay, I'm only doing one side. Now we let it rest. Okay. Okay, so while the avocado is cooling off, we're going to do the tangerine. Here we go. You've seen it first. Oh, this is not what I expected. I did not expect this. Okay, now I'm super curious. Okay. I expected a more orangey yellow, brighter. I'm super, super curious. Try to get it to the edges. I didn't do so good on the last one. Okay. Oh, that's good. I'm really excited to see what that looks like. Okay. Let's hit it with that soda ash. All right, let's put the kettle on. Did you see that? I didn't expect that. Oh, no. I did not expect that. let it set. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, more shirts for me, because these are those like really low quality Gildans that have the really crappy sticker in them that we used before with our hot water immersion that I can't sell, so yay for me! So look how this broke out. Okay, let's get up close and personal on this one. Can you see this blue here that broke out? And then there's them creamy yellows. There's more blue. And then here's the greens. Oh, stunning. Absolutely stunning. Hi, cooks. Hi. There it is. The pattern, which is all random, just turned out amazing. So this is the hot water immersion of the avocado, and I'm gonna guess it's gonna be in this color range here, almost like a darker wasabi, because I use that color a lot too. Look, oh, beautiful, beautiful breakout there. I love it. Like I love it. Let's look at the tangerine. Oh, she did not disappoint at all. That shirt is stunner. I'm just so excited. Orange is my new favorite color. I'm really leaving the blue spectrum and going over to orange. This is where I had avocado on my gloves. I touched it. But look at this breakout in this sunny yellow. Almost a coral pink. And then we go into this gorgeous orange. I've used a lot of this tangerine this past week in place of soft orange in my spirals, and it's stunner. Just look at that pattern. I got a new shirt. I got a new shirt. I'm so excited. And then, because I only do one side, just how cool. Just how cool. And dirty fingerprints, and I don't care. These two colors are gorgeous. And a hot water immersion. The way they break out, I couldn't be happier. And like I said, I've been using these, the tangerine in liquid, in some of the newest stuff that I'm working on. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. It does not disappoint with this beautiful, beautiful orange. So there's avocado, and there is tangerine. What'd you guys think? And if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put this in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. I got a ton of videos on my channel, and if you like the shirts that we make, there's also a link in the description box below for my Etsy store. Go check out my store and make sure you favorite yours today. And there you have it. Look what we did today. I love it. Love it so much. And remember, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. Hey, try something new today. Who knows? You might like it. And I'll talk to you soon.